need you. I was young, I was dumb, I was wrong. I was stupid, baby, I was just wrong. Now I'm looking at you get away. And I'm mad while you're moving on. You're the one now, gotta say it, I gotta say it. I was wrong. Guess it's been forever. No, we ain't seen together. Oh, I wish I had a catered to you. Cause now you won't speak, and you told me, let it be. You know I can't leave, cause baby I need you. I was young, I was dumb, I was wrong. I was stupid, baby, I was just wrong. Now I'm looking at you get away. And I'm mad while you're moving on. You're the one now, gotta say it, I gotta say it. I was stupid, baby, I was doing me. Now I'm looking at you stay away. And I'm mad cause you're really moving on. You're the one I need, gotta say it, I gotta say it. I was wrong, I was wrong, I was stupid, baby, I was just wrong. I was wrong, now I'm looking at you get away. And I'm mad while you're moving on. You're the one now, gotta say it, gotta say, I gotta say, gotta say. I was wrong, I was wrong, I was stupid, baby, I was wrong. Now I'm looking at you stay away. And I'm mad cause you're really moving on. You're the one I need, gotta say it, gotta say, I gotta say, gotta say. I was wrong. Every morning I'm gonna be.
I have like 6 pieces. I already put my hair in a ponytail.
Been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this new. Something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe.
I'll be using this donut and I'll just cut it like this, and I'll secure it to my hair, and this will make it easier for you to lay the pieces of hair. Now I'll be placing the braids to the ponytail or to the donuts, and I'll be securing it, guys, in a way to give it a messy look. So this is your choice in how you want to place the hair.
You're perfect, perfect, pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect, pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more.
And here you have the finished look, you all. And as I said, guys, you can pull the braids and make it as messy as you like, or just do it to your own liking. But I like the messy look, so I am loving my hairstyle. So thank you guys for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye you all.
After these years, I'm still here.